Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the keyboard typing sound on the Samsung Galaxy S24. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unload and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type System Sound and wait for the results to appear. This will bring up relevant options related to sound settings on your device. Step 4. After performing the search, find the System Sound option from the search results and tap on it. Choose the System Sound option again. Step 5. For the last and most important step, locate the Samsung keyboard option. Unfortunately, this setting is turned on, which is why you hear a sound every time you type. So, tap the Samsung keyboard option to turn it off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.